How to start up an online coaching business in 2023. I'm going to walk you through an easy to follow roadmap. So if you were just starting out, or you are in this and you have been in this for a little while and you're wanting some more advice, ideas and how this actually works together, this video is for you. Or if you're just completely brand new and you don't know what to do, where to start, then I've got this roadmap for you as well. So let's jump in. Hi, my name is Lillian and I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success. I also have the Soul Central directory. It goes out once a month to over 10,000 plus intuitives, soul searchers and seekers, manifestors. And if you feel that audience would benefit from your services and you're like a free listing in the directory, feel free to subscribe, like this video, and below put down Soul Central directory and I'll get that information over to you. Okay, we're going to jump over now to the roadmap. Okay, so here is a roadmap. It also comes with a training. So if you are really interested in this, then just for £7 below, it's my low ticket offer. You can find the roadmap and training. Feel free to take a picture of this screen if you wish, but the extensive 30-minute training around this really goes into great detail. But this is just an overview for this video. And there are many moving parts when it comes to an online coaching business. So depending on where you are along the knowledge journey, that is the online coaching business world, these are the usual steps, and I end up coming into someone's business for 3 months and gluing a lot of their stuff together. So if you have started and you have a few things already in place, you can use this roadmap and think, oh, I've got this, oh, I've got that, and then you can see how it works when it comes to streamlining everything. Or if you're completely brand new, this is what it will actually look like from step 1 through to step 9. So I'm just going to walk you through the 9-step process, which I like to call the built to last system, using the power of 3 methodology. So number 1 is message to masses. You need to know exactly what your ideal client wants. You need to be able to talk your marketing in a way that they are having those conversations in their head for them to then see your ads, your content, whatever it is that you're doing for your business. They want to be able to view your content and stuff and think, God, this person knows me very well. So there is a process often when it comes to understand your niche and understanding what they really, really want and need. But you need to obviously match your services to what they really crave and desire for. So that's your message to masses, because once you know that, you can then put in front of them a very clear message. Number 2 is an unshakable mindset. Now, a mindset is key. I find an online coaching business, or any business for that matter, is a personal development journey. It is a mindset game, and you need to be working on your mindset every single day. You want to be able to avoid the burnout, which I experienced a few years ago. You don't want to go there. You want to be able to pick yourself up when you are getting no after no after no, because it will happen. You want to be able to have the right mindset about making money. So you need to correct a lot of your money mindset as well. It's such a huge topic, too much to go through in this particular video, but I do work with some amazing coaches and they are here to help you along your coaching and your spiritual journey as well. So again, feel free to check out the links below in the description. You'll also find my spiritual business bundle that I've made together with awesome coaches in my space as well. Number 3 is magnetic gift, or in other words, a lead magnet. What are you putting in front of your particular audience you are going for in exchange for you to receive their email address? So usually the clients I work for are healers, therapists and online spiritual coaches, readers, let's say. And it could be by way of a free reading, a quick training or a consultation, whatever it is that you might feel you can put in front of your audience in exchange for their email so you can grow your business. That is definitely a big part of the process, and that's step number 3. Now, 4, 5 and 6, this is where I usually come into play as a business coach, because I build the assets in an online coaching business. Now, in my experience, I've been in business now since 2012, so over 10 years. But in my experience, most coaches don't have these assets. And it's a shame, really, because when you start out, you tend to think that an online business is messaging to people via Messenger and hoping that you're going to get some organic marketing really work well for you and very hard, and that's how you're going to get your clients. Well, unfortunately, it is a slow game if you do start off like that, but you can accelerate that, and you can launch or catapult your credibility online by having these assets that do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So here, step 4 is a funnel. Now, people get quite scared and crippled by the tech, but I actually offer a funnel in my services, and a funnel is great because it can work alongside you in your corner, and when it's working well, it can be a great lead generator for you. So a funnel is really, really good and very important. Step number 5 here is a messenger bot. When you do come to converting people in the messenger inbox, it's good to have, I think, it's not AI by the way, but it's a bot that does, again, a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So once you get that in place, you can really see the workload lift away from your own touch points in your own business, because you have something that converts and helps qualify as the prospects coming into your world a lot easier for you. So that's a messenger bot. And then step number 6, most people do this because it is free, and a lot of people are still on Facebook, and that is to have a Facebook group, because when you launch a Facebook group in the right way and you implement the right and correct Facebook group strategy, it can work favours for you in terms of generating leads that will then turn into clients, because it shortens the get to know you, like you, trust you process, the customer journey that a prospect will walk through when they get to know you online, get to know you very well, enough to actually buy from you eventually. It's usually between 0 and 6 months for someone to buy, let's say, high tickets from you. Again, I don't know your services, but having a Facebook group where you're going live, let's say once a week, and you have many touch points when someone enters your Facebook group, and then you have other ways of communicating with them, it just shortens that get to know you, like you, trust you process, that customer journey. So that's really essential to have in your business, step number 6. And then step number seven is to have a content strategy that works, and that's predictable and that is consistent. So it's really important that you don't just put stuff out there for the sake of it. There is obviously a madness to the method, or a method to the madness, I should say, and it's a way of creating demand for your product and services. So it's really good to make sure you have a very robust, strong, predictable content strategy in place. Soulful selling, I like to call, because no one likes to be sold to, yet we do like to buy. You need to be able to speak to prospects in a way that converts, that doesn't make you feel icky in the process. And also, if you do have those assets in place that I spoke to you about in 4, 5 and 6, then you don't really need to do so much of the selling, because the system that you put in place in here, I call it the built to last system, that overall does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. So by the time you do speak to someone, whether it's a messenger or a quick phone call, or whether it's a 30-minute strategy call, whatever it is that you do in your business, it ends up being a very, very nice, pleasant conversation. There is a framework I offer my clients that you can just refer from, but again, if you do everything correctly, then you won't need to be selling hard on the phone, because no one likes to be selling hard on the phone. And then when you have everything in place and it's all working well, you're getting great conversions and everything's ticking over nicely, you can then introduce a monthly promo cycle to increase the awareness of your brand, to obviously showcase your amazing services at any given time, to add the extra energy into your business as well, to always keep the momentum going. A monthly promo cycle could be anything in terms of like a training or a masterclass or a challenge, whatever it is you might feel you want to do in your business. To have something new still injected into your business every month or 6 weeks is really good, again, for the longevity of your business as well. So there we are. I hope it all made sense to you. I do follow in 3 main pillars really: mindset, mechanics and mastery. Mindset is really important. Building out the mechanics of your online coaching business is essential, and then becoming a master of your craft over time will really get the results in your business and for yourself in the long term. So again, if you do like this, then feel free to find below the link to the roadmap and training. It's only £7, and I'll go into greater detail about how all these moving parts work. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Awesome. I hope you found this video useful. Again, as mentioned, I do have the Soul Central directory. It goes out once a month to over 10,000 plus intuitive soul searchers and seekers and manifestors. So if you feel that audience is right for you and your services will very much match what they might need, then feel free to like this video, subscribe, also put down in the comments box below Soul Central directory, and I'll get that information over to you and get you into the next directory. Thanks ever so much again for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.